In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use anchored volume profile in Tradingview. First, let's locate the tool. On the left-hand toolbar in Tradingview, open the drop-down that contains the forecasting and drawing tools. The icon often looks like a small ruler or a diagonal trend line. From that menu, select Anchored Volume Profile. Your cursor will switch, letting you choose where to begin your analysis now. Anchor the point. Click on a significant, high-impact candle on your chart. Good choices include the start of a clear trend, the candle following a major gap, or a breakout bar accompanied by unusually high volume. This anchor defines the starting point for measuring where volume has traded from that moment forward, and it works on any symbol or time frame. Once you set the anchor, the volume profile appears on the right side of the chart. Here is how to interpret it. The POC, or point of control, is the prominent red line. It marks the single price level that attracted the most traded volume within your anchored window. Price often gravitates to this level or reacts to it as strong support or resistance. Surrounding it is the value area, usually shaded, representing about 70% of all traded volume in the selected range. The top and bottom edges of this zone are the value area high and value area low. These boundaries can serve as reference points where price may pause, rotate, or attempt a reversal, especially if it's moving from one side of the value area to the other. You can customize the display to fit your style. Double-click the profile to open settings. Row size controls how chunky or fine the histogram appears. Smaller numbers produce fewer, larger blocks, while larger numbers create more, smaller blocks for added detail. Ticks per row sets the resolution, determining how granular the price slices are. Under volume, you can toggle between total and up and down. Total shows aggregate volume at price, while up and down splits it into buying versus selling pressure for additional context. If you want to analyze a different event, simply drag the anchor to another candle. The profile instantly recalculates, letting you compare how volume distributes from multiple starting points without clutter. Practice anchoring to key inflection points, observe reactions around the POC and value boundaries, and adjust settings until the structure is clear and actionable for you. Thanks for watching.